For example, today, if a student who passes BSc, Bachelor of Science, in terms of scientific knowledge, he may have more knowledge than Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton happens to be the best scientist of humanity. Isaac Newton, number one. Michael H. Hart, when he wrote a book, the 100 most influential men in history, he places our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam number one. Number two, Isaac Newton. But if someone comes and asks me, suppose your son has passed his BSc, or if you have passed your BSc, if someone tells, are you more intelligent than Isaac Newton? See, you may know many things which Isaac Newton did not know. But in terms of science and technology, what brain Isaac Newton had, even the Nobel Prize winner of science doesn't have. Isaac Newton had an intelligent brain. Depending upon the limited resources he had, the amount of advances he made in science is phenomenal. Therefore, he's called one of the best scientists of humankind. But today, a person who has passed BSc, overall, may have more knowledge than Isaac Newton. He knows all the laws of Newton. He even has corrected the mistake of Newton. He has not corrected. By the time other scientists have come, they have corrected the mistakes of Newton. So a person who has passed BSc overall may have more access to scientific knowledge than Isaac Newton. But that does not make him a greater scientist than Isaac Newton. Similarly, today when we can analyze the hadith easily because of these great scholars, Imam Bukhari, Imam Muslim and the other scholars right down till this age, it is easier for us to know whether the hadith is sahih or not, and easy because of science and technology. That does not mean we are more superior to these Aimmas, we are more intelligent. No, not at all. I cannot claim that, and no one should claim that. Not that we are more intelligent, we are more knowledgeable. Today, because of science and technology, the knowledge is much more easily accessible. So let me clear that point very clearly. Therefore I said the topic is sensitive. We respect all these four Aimmas. They were great scholars.